What is the worst thing you've overheard while pretending to be asleep? 1. In college, woke up to roommate's bed creaking. I shoot up to see what the hell is going on. There I see some woman on her back with her legs full spread eagle and my roommate just pile driving it like it was his last day on earth. Like a good bro, I quickly lie back down and pretend to be asleep. Her, in between gasps of air. Is your roommate awake? Him. Nah, he sleeps through anything. Cut to next morning. I casually get up and turn on my PlayStation 2 and start playing some random game. Roommate's fling gets up and casually comes over and sits next to me. Her. Good morning, my name. Me. Good morning, her name. Her. Did you sleep good last night? Me. Yeah, I can sleep through anything. As the last word left my mouth, I immediately realize I blew it. She began a huge flurry of slaps at my roommate while cursing at him. He didn't care because he was too busy laughing the whole time. 2. Something like, she's too old for this, I'm not going to carry her up to bed anymore. And that was the last time I was magically transported from the living room couch to my bedroom. 3. I was a camp counselor.